Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and may have revised the previously learned topics. So now, our today's topic is Village Life in the Hills, Penugolu. Today, let us explore village life in a hilly region, focusing on Penugolu village in Vazid Mandal. This village offers us a unique perspective on how communities thrive in harmony with nature amidst challenging conditions. Eastern Ghats and Geography. Telangana Plateau, a part of the Deccan Plateau, is bordered by the Eastern Ghats in the east. These hills extend to states like Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha. Penugolu village is situated on the banks of the river Godavari and is surrounded by notable hills like Nalla Gutta to the north, Vankamamidi Gutta to the south, and others. Streams such as Nallandevi Vagu flow from the hills and join the Godavari, making the region rich in natural beauty. The Koya community. The main inhabitants of Penugolu are the Koyas, a tribal community whose name means a good person living on the hills. They speak the Koya language, but some, who migrated to other regions, now speak Telugu. Their culture and traditions are deeply rooted in nature and their environment. Podu cultivation. The Koyas practice a traditional form of shifting agriculture called Podu. This involves clearing a patch of forest, burning the wood to enrich the soil with ashes, and then growing crops like jowar, millets, maj, and vegetables. Seeds are sown without using plows or fertilizers, as plowing could cause soil erosion on hill slopes. However, with shrinking forest lands, they face challenges in sustaining this method of farming. Vegetable gardens and livelihood. Around their homes, the Koyas maintain small vegetable gardens with crops like beans, gourds, and chilies. They also rear goats, sheep, and poultry. Forests play a vital role in their livelihood. They collect honey, bamboo shoots, and other forest produce, which are either consumed or sold in weekly markets for income. Hunting and gathering continue to be essential activities for their sustenance. Life and challenges. Their houses are built with mud, bamboo, and thatch, often surrounded by fences to protect animals and crops. With only 32 families in Penugolu, the population is small. Education and healthcare facilities are minimal, with the nearest high school and hospital located 20 kilometers away in Vazid. The depletion of forests due to deforestation and overexploitation by industries threatens their way of life. Cultural practices. The Koyas worship nature and celebrate festivals like Yellanampadam, Bhumi Puja, and Kodthala Panduga, marking important agricultural and seasonal milestones. These festivals bring the community together and strengthen their bonds. Conclusion. Penugolu and its people remind us of a harmonious way of life that is deeply connected to nature. However, their sustainable practices and traditional knowledge are under threat. It is important to support such communities, ensuring their rights and way of life are preserved for generations to come. This way, we learn not only about a unique culture but also about the challenges they face and the resilience they show in maintaining their traditions amidst modern pressures. Thanks for watching.